This is tutorial number 20, and it covers how to use construction geometry within Catia V5. To start off, open up a new Catia file, and once you've done that, let's go into the sketcher. So let's click Sketch and click the front plane. Now, the construction geometry tool is going to be this here on the sketch tools. So what construction geometry is that we're able to create sketches, and from those sketches we're able to convert them to construction geometry. Now, the difference between a construction geometry and a normal sketch is that the construction geometry will have dotted lines, and the construction geometry, when you go to create a part, will not be included in the overall extrude or cut or whatever it may be that you're doing with the feature. So construction lines are just there strictly to kind of make dimensions and kind of make references off of. So to start off, let's draw a few profiles. So let's make a circle, and let's make a line from the top of the circle to the bottom of the circle. Now, to convert a sketch to a construction geometry, what you have to do is select the line and click the construction. As you can see, it has the dotted line now, and that's construction geometry. Now we can still dimension these, so let's dimension this construction geometry. Let's turn it to 100, and now we've made the construction geometry 100, and it's also relating to the original drawing, and the original drawing, the diameter is now 100 also. So if we were to go and extrude or use this sketch as a cut, only the circle would be used. The line that we use as the construction geometry would not be used at all. So when you have a sketch or a profile, if you have a bunch of other lines that are just out at the side, you're able to use those as construction geometry. Now, you're able to either select a line and turn it into construction geometry like we did the first time, or if you toggle the construction geometry on, every profile that you make is going to be a construction geometry. So there's a couple different ways of going about it, and you can turn it back from a construction to a regular drawing. So construction geometries are parts of a sketch that will be used to make references and are part of the construction of your overall sketch. At the end, though, you don't have to delete them or anything. They can stay in the sketch, but will not be used when you create a feature. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the construction geometry feature within Catia V5.